this this video literally cracks me up every time I watch it. I don't even know what Obisere has done to me. Anyways, my name is Okafor Uchenna and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been 4 years since this beauty has been in existence and it has grown to be one of the most important tech I own, and I'm really impressed with what Apple has done, even if there have been a whole other Bluetooth earphones. This is the Apple AirPods. It's not earpods, it's AirPods. I'll be telling you how to get the most out of your AirPods and tell you it's something you maybe never knew you could do with it. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into the video.
All right, guys, before we proceed, there's one item I always have in my pocket anywhere I go to this period. Is this. Yeah. A hand sanitizer. It follows me everywhere because some people just want to be shaking you for no reason. I don't understand. You don't know, say, Corona Wanta. Okay, meet my Yoruba. This thing is not pressing, like that's finished. Please, if you see me outside, don't shake me. Just, hi, hello. Please, thank you. So today we'll be talking about the wonderful things that this tech item, that's the Apple AirPods, can do that you maybe never knew. So do you know your Apple AirPods can turn you into a top spy? I'm going to show you right now. So when you open your settings, you scroll down to accessibility. So when you go to your accessibility, you scroll down to hearing devices. So my hearing aid is already turned on, but you have to turn yours on if it is not on. So you switch your hearing aid compatibility on, then you go back to your settings and you go to Control Center. In Control Center, you go to Customize Controls. So from Customize Controls, mine is already added, but if it isn't added in yours, you see right there, hearing. So you add hearing, and when you add hearing, it's already in your swipe up option. So you go back and you go to, and when you just go back to your home screen and you swipe up, and it's right down there. So here's how it works. When you click on it, you already see this option, but when your AirPods are not functional or they are in the case, you won't see anything. All you just have to do is put your AirPods in, and when it's already connected to your phone, then you see live listen turned off. Then you turn it on. And when you turn it on, you notice that you automatically can hear yourself through your AirPods. Yeah, and it sounds so funny. So for you to now activate your full spy mode, you just have to leave your phone in where you think they are planning to gossip about you. You just say, sorry, my Yoruba, I'm still trying to work on my Yoruba. So you don't say, mamu, these people, like, mamu, what is? Yes, that will move them, like I will catch them. So you drop your phone and you go. But you know that you have to be in proximity with your phone to your AirPods, because I think it's like 10 to 15 feet away from your phone. That's where you can listen to what exactly is recording from it. But the only down part to it is that you can't record what you are listening to. You can only just listen live. That's why it's called a live listen. So you just leave your phone recording and you go, and you hear them telling you, please, this is a disclaimer. I did not teach you to, after you hear this thing, go and beat somebody. Not there. Just told you how to catch all those people that are gossiping about you. That's it. Can even hear people that have coronavirus and they don't want to go for isolation. So you just hear when you start coughing too much, just run, please. And don't run and come and meet me. Anyways, that's all I'm talking about. Stay safe wherever you are. Don't panic. You know, in these times now, we just have to just, you know, be at home, eat well, and use all the safety measures. Wash your hands if you go outside. If you don't be in social spaces, don't be in crowded spaces. If you see someone that is coughing, look at the person like this and move away. Like, you don't familiarize with people too much, you know? Yeah, and just be safe. Just, you know, this will pass and, you know, we'll all be back to normal Jai lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like go down there, yes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video so that other people will watch and learn. So my name is Uche, and I will see you in the next video. Jesus, it's just my ear. I know. Stop it.